I have an AO Model Number GCV 5100 water heater. Pilot went out overnight last night. Could not get it to stay lit today. Pulled whole assembly out and measured thermocouple, went and bought a replacement. Upon further inspection, when I went to put in the new thermocouple, it appears I am not able to get the thermocouple out with some damage to the pilot assembly. Did some research and it appears to that I need to replace the whole pilot assembly. Does this seem correct?
Have you replaced your AO water heater before? If so, how long ago?
No. We moved into this house July 2017 and it was already in. Don't have any information on it as the previous owner didn't know anything. Did not have any issues until now.
How long has this been going on with your AO water heater? What have you tried so far?
Pilot went out between 11 p.m. last night and 7 a.m. this morning. Only thing I have done was pull the whole burner unit and assembly out to measure the thermocouple. It appears that the thermocouple is split in two and has something soldered in between. There is a second stem right next to the thermocouple that I am not sure what it is. Looks similar to the thermocouple except the end is open and not closed like the thermocouple.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. Just need to know if I need to get a new pilot assembly.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience in the home improvement field. I'll be glad to assist you today.
Great. Thank you. Did you see my original question?
The part that is split was a thermal fuse. If you are careful, you can pry the existing thermocouple out of the clamp and use the universal thermocouple by sliding the new one into the old clamp. Otherwise, you will have to order the entire pilot assembly.
Okay. What would cause a dense white chalky buildup on the ends of the thermocouple?
That is the reaction from the heat of the pilot. That is normal. Often if the thermocouple is not completely worn, you can sand that off and get it working again. It is not the case with this one though. When the thermocouple wears to a certain point, the thermal fuse of the manufacturer thermocouple breaks, so it will not work again until it is replaced. It is to prevent the water heater from being lit numerous times when the thermocouple is worn and promote replacement before there is extra over on the gas valve.
Makes complete sense. Discussing with my wife quickly, you have been a great help and she would rather I just order a new assembly and be done with it. We have plenty of friends close by that we can manage for a few days. Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.